Hello guys, you're welcome back to the new tech channel. In this new video I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your Windows 11 PC. Now to get started, you'd want to come to the start menu right here and then click on it and click on settings and then click on system and just scroll down to recovery, reset, advanced startup, go back. So just go ahead and click on recovery, and just at the mid section you see recovery options. So just go ahead and click on reset this PC. Alright, so from the next pop-up you'd want to choose in between these two options. So the first option is to keep your files. If you go with that option, you get to remove apps settings, but your files is gonna be kept intact. If you go with the second option, which is remove everything, all your personal files is gonna be removed from the PC, as well as your apps and settings will be formatted. So that's how to go about resetting your PC. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.